This is the white noise machine for babies and adults with 21 relaxing sounds. It also has an adjustable nightlight, it's rechargeable, and it's a portable sleep aid for home and travel. I love the size of it. The depth is 1.7 inches, and it has an extended battery life, enjoying up to 3 weeks of use on a single charge. This is perfect for continuous sleep support. It also has an adjustable nightlight, which is a soft nightlight with adjustable brightness and enhances relaxation and comfort. It's user-friendly. It has a child lock on the back with an adjustable volume and timer settings for personalized use. Multifunctional design, ideal for home use and travel.